In this video, I am going to show you how you can upload products to your Wix store. First, go to your wix.com/account/sites. Then click on Select and Edit. It will take you to your website dashboard. From left side menu, click Store Products. It will show you three options: Products, Collections, and Find Products to Sell. If you want to upload a new product, then click Products. It will take you to the product page. If you want to upload a new product, then click on the new product. It will show you two options: Digital file and physical file. If you want to upload a physical file, then click on it. It will open a new product upload page. Write your product title here. To upload your product images, click Add Images. It will take you to the image folder. If you want to upload it from your computer, then click Upload Media. It will take you to your computer folders. Select your required file and upload it. Then click Add to Page button. In Ribbon, if your item is new, then click New. In the Price section, add your product regular price. If your product has any discounted price, put that in the Sale Price column. Discount will show automatically in the Discount column. In the Description column, put your product descriptions clearly. If you have any additional info like the return policy, you can put it here. Suppose you want to add a shipping and return policy. Put the return policy title here. Write the details about your shipping and return policy. Then save it. In the Product Option column, if your product has different color combinations like sizes, colors, materials, then put it here. In the Inventory and Shipping columns, you can track your product inventory. If you want to show the inventory quantity, then Keeping Track Inventory button on. If you on the button, then you can put the inventory quantity. Here, I am putting product quantity 50. If you do not want to show the actual quantity, then just select the In Stock button. In SKU, put a unique number for your product. For example, here I am putting 0068. After completing every stage, click the Save button at the top right corner.